I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. Welcome back to your number one channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so wey be Nigeria. Now as we normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say one countryman wey dey go by the name Malam Ibrahim Issa, he na the only survivor of the Uromi barbecue incident. He na don come outside dey talk on behalf of other victims. In the let men now they know, say the victims, they say they expect both the Kano state government and the Edo state government to fulfill the promises wey they make to them. He say currently the families of those victims now they go through difficulties wey they never encounter before for their life, because of say their breadwinners are no more. And as a friend and relative to the victims of the attack, the barbecue incident, and also as a only survivor of the things and things we play, the mantle of leading the families of the victims just dey fall on his shoulder. And that now why this public outcry now they come board. That now why Ingas come outside for the families of the victims. Ingas let the Edo state government and the Kano state government know, say all is not well at all. Now according to how he talk am, he say normally no amount of money we go fit bring back men we don't buy, no amount of money we go fit resurrect men we don't bear RIP. Them they understand that one very well. They are very much aware. But the issue now about those men we see they breathe, the family members where those men they leave behind. How would the lives of the orphans and the widows be? How they want to survive? These families now they are finding it very difficult to survive under this harsh economic crunch. Sake of the barbecue incident, things now don't risky for them, and it is a very disturbing phenomenon to behold what is currently going on to these families them. These my good people now they talk we come aside from the mouth of Malam Ibrahim Issa, the only survivor of the barbecue incident we happened for inside Uromi. And my good people more no forget, say the victims of the barbecue incident, some they come from Kabiya, some they come from Rano, and some they come from Bunkure local government areas of Kano State. They travel from Port Harcourt through Edo State to Kano State, where they want to go celebrate festivities after their annual hunting. But as they pass through Edo State for Uromi, vigilantes for the area now come mistake them to be Jaguda men, come mistake them to be headsmen, sake of the things and things where they carry. And that they include machetes and some gun them. And no be lie my good people, that time when the matter still dey hot, the Edo state government be go meet with the Kano state government. They try to tell them, make them do the calms. It's not just mistake, na accident. It no nice at all, but it don't happen. We say it don't happen. Then they come promise the families of the victims something we go make them feel alright. You understand? We go calm down the pain of losing their loved one. But as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, one of the widows now they give to the people, say they were asked to open a bank account with the promise that the compensation and other intervention will be credited to the account. And she now the let men they know say an ATM was issued to each and every family members of the victims. But the move ends there. And still according to how they talk, they come aside from the widow mouth. She say from God now then come, and now him they go still return to. But she know for her life be ever imagine am say she go find herself in such a situation. But since na the will of God, no one taking care of 3 children all alone, it no easy at all. Wetin dem want na for the authorities concerned to fulfill their promises to them, and for the government now to do the needful. That's what they don't promise them before. Try fulfill and make them feel alright. And now, sake of this matter, so my good people, sake of this complaint, the cries where they come from the families of the victims, officials of the Kano state government never choose to comment on the matter. Then I never yarn anything put for the things and things when they happen. So this update will just come board. But however, my good people, sources where they within the government sector, the let men they know say the compensation matter is still being handled by the deputy governor's office. But men they hope say make it be say na delay, make it not be say the government don't forget them, make it not be say the government don't wind them. Because normally those kind of levels no go nice at all. Nobody force men to promise, and normally to give the families of the victims something. And normally to give something to the family of the victims is no bad at all. That is common courtesy. But no matter the matter, my good people, anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put out your comments inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another report for table where I still need share give the general public. And the koko be say, gunmen wey men dey suspect to be cultists. Report now don dey ground say on Saturday dem go shoot a manager of a motor park for inside Auchi, Etsako West local government area of Edo State. And sake of the shooting, the manager bear RIP ASAP. This victim, so this manager, is simply identified as AK. He was said to be on duty when the gunmen then stormed the motor park and they can't shoot the man. And as the man received the bullet at the close range, him kpai ASAP. And as this matter happened, so my good people, passengers and other countrymen wey just dey pass around the park, all of them just scramble for safety. All of them japa, they hide their head. And sake of this incident, so my good people, one source wey dey close to the victim, the manager wey just kpai so, wey simply dey identified as AK, he na come dey yarn dey give tori people. Say this victim, so wey men just give RIP, is a very kind person. The man dey accommodating, the man dey peaceful, he dey humble, and he dey very much focused on work and family. They no see reasons why jaguda men go come give am RIP, because he no resemble somebody wey dey find trouble. But however, my good people, we now dey receive a report say the shooting e happen in the middle of the escalating tensions for inside Auchi and the environment sake of a reported dispute between two rival cult groups, and that na Aye and Vikings confraternities. And based on information wey we gather, we now dey find out say this dispute so escalate reach this level sake of a reported attempt on the life of the leader of the Aye for inside Uromi community near Auchi. And as men now make attempt to kpai their own leader, the members of the Aye now come point accusing fingers at their rival group. And this development now come trigger retaliation. It come make them now want to go revenge. Now sake of every sake of the shooting and the RIP wey men now don carry, tori people now come contact the spokesman of the Edo State Police Command and a chief superintendent of police wey be CSP Moses Yamo. Him now come confirm the incident. He now come let tori people know say the Edo State Police Command is very much aware of the matter. And as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, the body of the manager has been deposited at a hospital while efforts are being made to arrest the jaguda men wey put bullet for Mr. AK body. So like this now, my good people, this report now another case of a cult related RIP, and this report now another reason why countrymen gas comot hand for all these jaguda activities them, because no gain dey inside. But no matter the matter, my good people, anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you be say get contributions about this report, so about this informate, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put that your contribution, that your remark, or that your comment, drop them inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist. Now they like give on our latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this report, if you be say you like this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, now you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp.